What if the reason you're not building wealth faster has nothing to do with how much you invest, but the order you invest in? Most people focus on picking the right assets, chasing returns, or trying to time a market, but they completely overlook the sequence. And that one mistake can quietly slow everything down for years. In The Smartest Order to Invest Your Money, you'll see how a simple plan and order can change the speed, stability, and outcome of your entire financial path. Because when your money is placed in the right sequence, each step strengthens the next, creating momentum that compounds over time. But when the order is wrong, even good decisions can lead to weaker results. So before you invest another dollar, it's worth asking, are you building the right order or just moving forward without a clear system? Number 1. Employer 401k match. Take the free money first. This is one of the few places where your return is immediate and built into the system. By contributing enough to get the full match, you're boosting your progress right away, helping your investments grow faster over time. That early advantage plays a quiet but important role later on. When your portfolio eventually produces the income you need, it often traces back to simple moves like this. It may seem small at first, but it builds into something much bigger, helping you reach a point where investing becomes optional, not necessary. Number 2, build an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months. Create stability before investing heavily. This creates the stability your investments rely on. This isn't about growth, it's protection. Without it, unexpected costs can force you to sell investments at the worst time or break your long-term plan. But with a solid cushion in place, your money can stay invested and grow without interruption. Over time, that consistency is what allows your portfolio to reach a level where it can generate reliable income. And when you get there, that same stability gives you confidence, knowing your financial life is steady and no longer easily disrupted. Number 3, insurance protection. Protect your income and assets. Having the right insurance in place protects everything you've built. This includes your health, your income, and the assets that support your daily life. As your investments grow, securing them becomes just as important as growing them. One unexpected event can create serious financial strain, but proper coverage helps prevent that. By the time your portfolio produces enough income to support your lifestyle, this protection helps you stay there. It allows you to rely on your investments with confidence, knowing your foundation is secure and your income can continue without interruption. Number 4, Roth IRA. Grow money tax-free forever. A Roth IRA adds a strong layer to your investing strategy by letting your money grow without future taxes. You contribute with money that's already taxed, and from that point on, your investments can grow and be withdrawn tax-free under the right conditions. Over time, this creates a clean source of income that isn't reduced later. As your portfolio grows, having money in a Roth gives you more control over how and when you use it. When your investments support your lifestyle, this tax-free growth helps that income go further and feel more predictable. Number 5, index funds. S&P 500, a core long-term investing strategy. They give you broad exposure to the market, allowing your money to grow with some of the largest companies over time. Instead of picking individual winners, you capture overall market growth in a simple way. This steady approach keeps things clear and focused on consistency. Over time, that consistency turns into real growth, helping your portfolio reach a level where it can produce reliable income. It may feel slow early on, but it builds a strong and dependable foundation. Number 6, dividend stocks. Create consistent income. Dividend stocks move your focus from growth to income. These investments pay you regularly, creating a steady stream of cash that can support your lifestyle over time. As this income builds, your need to sell investments starts to decrease. Your portfolio begins to work like a system that pays you consistently. Over time, this income can grow and become more stable, especially if you reinvest early. When your dividends cover your expenses, your role changes. You're no longer focused only on building wealth, but on maintaining and living from what you've already created. Number 7, real estate. A primary home. This builds equity over time. Owning your primary home adds long-term stability to your financial life. Instead of paying rent with no return, each payment builds equity, slowly increasing your ownership over time. While it may not create immediate income, it lowers your future housing costs and becomes a strong asset in your portfolio. As the years pass, that equity grows through both payments and appreciation. When your investments begin producing enough income to support your lifestyle, having a paid-off or low-cost home makes that income go further. It reduces what you need, making financial independence feel more realistic and secure. Number 8. Rental property. To add cash flow and appreciation. Rental property adds both income and long-term growth to your investing portfolio. It creates consistent cash flow through rent while also increasing in value over time. This allows your wealth to grow in two ways at once. As rental income rises, it can start covering part of your living expenses, reducing your reliance on other investments. Over time, this extra income strengthens your financial position. When your investments can support your lifestyle, rental income becomes another steady source, helping create a more balanced and reliable cash flow. Number 9. Business or a side hustle. One of the best ways to increase income potential. These two expands your ability to earn beyond traditional investing. Unlike investments that grow slowly, this gives you a way to increase income more directly through effort and skill. As your income grows, you can invest more, speeding up your progress. Over time, this extra income can play a major role in helping your portfolio reach the level needed to support your lifestyle. Even after that point, it provides flexibility and optional income, allowing you to keep earning on your own terms while maintaining a stable financial life. Number 10. Estate planning. Secure and pass down wealth. This makes sure everything you've built is protected and passed on the right way. It includes setting up clear documents, organizing your assets, and making your wishes known ahead of time. While it doesn't directly grow your wealth, it protects it and gives structure to everything you've created. As your portfolio grows and begins supporting your lifestyle, this step becomes more meaningful. It brings clarity, reduces uncertainty, and allows your wealth to continue beyond you. It's a quiet but important part of building something that lasts over time. Number 11. Skills that increase income. Higher income means more to invest. Your ability to earn plays a major role in how quickly you build wealth over time. By developing skills that increase your income, you create more room to save, invest, and grow. This could come from improving in your current career, learning new high-value skills, or positioning yourself for better opportunities. As your income rises, the gap between what you earn and what you spend can expand, giving you more momentum. Over time, that extra capacity helps your investments reach the level where they can support your lifestyle more consistently. Number 12. Alternative investments. Diversify with caution by just doing a small percent. Alternative investments like crypto, gold, or other non-traditional assets can add diversification when used carefully. But these should remain a smaller part of your overall strategy, supporting your core investments rather than replacing them. They can offer different types of growth or protection depending on conditions, but they also come with higher uncertainty. As your portfolio becomes stronger and more stable, adding a small portion of alternatives can create balance without adding unnecessary risk. The goal is to stay focused on your main plan while allowing a controlled level of flexibility. When you look at this order as a whole, you start to realize that building wealth was never about picking random investments or chasing the highest returns. The smartest order to invest your money is about following the right sequence, step by step, so each move supports the next. And that sequence becomes clear. You begin with protection and stability, then move into growth, and eventually build multiple streams of income that work together. This is what makes the process feel clearer and more predictable. Instead of guessing what to do next, you're following a structure that's designed to move you forward with less risk and more consistency. And over time, that structure is what allows your investments to grow into something that can support your lifestyle. So the smartest order to invest your money isn't complicated. It's simply about doing the right things in the right order and allowing time to do the rest.